In the Abingdon area, a jammed garbage disposal is a common yet preventable kitchen nightmare. Whether it's the result of running it without water, disposing of inappropriate items like bones or fibrous vegetables, or simply neglecting regular maintenance, a jam can bring your kitchen routine to a grinding halt. But don't let a jammed disposal disrupt your day. There's a straightforward solution to get your kitchen back in order. By calling 888-501-1193. You can have your garbage disposal and any other plumbing needs addressed by qualified professionals. Serving the Abingdon area, our experts are ready to ensure your garbage disposal is functioning smoothly, so you can get back to what matters most in your home. Don't wait for a small inconvenience to become a big problem. Call us today.